What is up, family? How's everybody doing? Right on time today. 1 p.m. Let's go. 7 people are already in here. That's beautiful. Finally got a haircut. Tracked down my barber. He could be on here actually right now. It seems like everybody that gets to know me ends up being a trader. I can't help it. Can't help it. Look at that. These green juices. Hold up. Oh. Aiden, back at what's up, brother? Plessis, morning. Michael, morning. Lush, thank you. Appreciate it. I'm ready to kill it today. How about you guys? Do me a favor, like this video, share it with your friends. If anybody wants to learn how to trade or interested in trading or whatever the case, I don't care. Want to ramp this up. One of these Fridays we're gonna hit our 150 mark. I swear. It's okay. I've been really pleased with the amount of growth that we're having. I mean, every day we had like 20 to 50 subscribers, which is pretty cool. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that. You know. And that thing is small down here. There we go. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I just noticed that this is too high, so this is blocking me. 1 second. There we go. I don't know why that is. Maybe I'll put it higher and move it back. I'm trying to get it so I'm not looking down. That's better. There we go. Trying to get it so I'm not looking down the whole dang time. How's everybody doing? Let's say what's up in the chat. All right, I'm going to go ahead and trying to get everything organized here. I'm going to go ahead and go into the studio and get a poll going. We're going to get right into it. This thing drives me crazy. Like, I'm trying to figure out how to go into the live studio. There it is, control room. Man, they make it like hard to find. I swear. Control room. There we are. I thought. Oh no, that's right. I go to the actual video. My bad. Unfortunately, I can't like prep this. I have to like literally wait till I'm live to be able to. Happy Friday with right here. Christina, what's up? Sam Burt, how you doing? What's that? What's that? What's up, Bob? Michael just had back surgery. Are we live? It says I lost connection. I hope I didn't actually am I live? Yeah, it says I'm live. I don't know. Glitching. Am I glitching right now, guys? Hey, let me know. Let me know. Is my stream okay again? Did I have like an internet issue? I'm lagging. Oh no. Eddie, can you make sure like nobody's like downloading a million things or something? Guys. Do a quick speed test. Might be YouTube or something. I'm blurring. Oh my gosh, what's going on, guys? Down, let's see what my upload is. Hold on. Let me fix this. Speed's really low right now. I wonder if it's hold on 1 second, guys. Be right back. Streaming? Are you talking to Tori? Yeah. Dinner? Yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Speed test 2.2. Try one more time, see if my upload speed is better. Download's great. Sorry, guys. Everything was fine on my end. Am I still laggy? Oh, upload speed's good now. I think we just had an internet blur. Tell me if it looks good now. All right, I'm gonna put this down a little bit. I mean, we're shooting at like 50 up again. It was down to 2, so hopefully we're good. We're good? Okay, I don't know. I don't know what just happened, but we're good now. I'm gonna turn this off too, just in case. There we are. All right, cool. Sorry about that. I don't know what the heck just happened. Better? Okay, we're just gonna go with it and tell me if it gets better as we go, okay? I had how you doing, Michael Johnson? How you doing, brother? How are things turning out? Good, hopefully. Let's share this, and we're good. Clear out yesterday's mess of our 4 amazing wins. I think we did 4 amazing wins. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all that. All right, instantly I see London high, yesterday's high need to be taken out. The Asian low, London low were already taken out, so I don't have to look at that anymore. So instantly I'm mostly buy bias, but we will see. Good, man. That's great to hear. We're good. Okay, good. Yeah, I don't know. The internet literally had a blurb. Decided to screw us. We still don't have fiber in our area, which really sucks, but part of the game, you know what I mean? All right, 1 hour. Let us look. We already tapped this area right here. So there's buys there. Then we had no break of structure here yet. Here would be the first break of structure right here, if that happens. With that said, I do think it's probably heading up that direction because we're creating a higher high. It's not a higher high. Okay. This is like a continuation trade, right? This is not a higher high, higher low. because it didn't break structure yet, but we're just assuming it's going to. Now, if from here, okay, because I'm going to highlight this 1 hour block. If from here to here is a good enough area to potentially take trades to, we can maybe take buys. Let me just look on lower time frame now. All right, we have a little block here. This wick didn't go higher than here, so I'm going to mark this up. Going to potentially take a trade. I don't want to put it directly under that just in case we get wicked, but you see how this wick didn't go under here. So we have that low essentially. This would be a 39-point stop. The only other thing I'm thinking of is there like a trend line here? Okay, we're breaking that trend line. Okay. So if we can come down here, I could potentially take this buy. Nice quick little something, you know. Make sure I'm on the actual funded. Not doing bad with this guy. This is pretty good. So on this funded, I'm just going to do like $500. I'm not going to trade super hard on this right now because this is like buy until you can't buy anymore and sell until you can't sell anymore, right? So with that said, limit order buy. Stop here. It's too much. Just go down to 10. We're almost to where we can raise our micro levels. 7. Let's do like 637 on that. Oh, wait. It's got to be in the right area. So it comes down this area in wicks. 532. Not bad. Okay, cool. So from here to here, it'll be like $500 some. Now, on this particular account, I need, because of my consistency rules, I need like 504. I think it was $540 or something. Let me look. What's up, Paul? Good morning. What's up, Joanne? How you doing? Is it clear again, guys? Like, are we good? I'm hoping. I just want to make sure everything's looking good. Way easier to do this at home in pain than be in a crane. A lot easier to focus on setups. Beautiful. What's up, Mark? See if she could pull back at all. I'm good, man. I'm really good. I appreciate you asking me that. What's up, Deity? How you doing? Good evening, everyone. Smoke Eater. Where are you from? Are you from England? Smoke Eater. What's up, Alex? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, so if I look at account metrics here, this is on the funded right here. This is on our alpha funded, okay? This is basically saying that I need 549.08 per day due to consistency rules, and I need 2 more winning days to get a payout, and this will be 50%. Then we get our first payout together over here that I did in front of you. Anyways, let's see. Not bad. Profit factor 2.20. Not bad. Not bad. All right. So I'll be giving this a shot off of this little block, putting it underneath this. I mean, this would be even safer, obviously. Eventually this is going to push off. Thinking this is, you know, I think it wants to come at least to this area above. I could be wrong. But we're going to buy until we can't buy anymore and sell until we can't sell. Been a long day? Gotcha. Is it possible for you to download your stream and send it to me? Are you talking about YouTube or my 2-hour-long stream after? The problem with the stream after the members only is I play like copyright music and all kinds of stuff, so All right, I'm getting ready. Oh, I don't have my other ones up. Quant Tower, Mayday. All right, I'm just going to buy this right now. Limit buy. All right, so I bought that. Small risk. I'm not risking a ton because obviously this looks like it. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't want to break these highs. I don't know. But I think it can go to like above here. There's enough room to potentially do that. So if we lose this, it's all good. We're over 75% win rate now. So I'm due to lose. Sometimes your webcam freezes. I do not swear like a sailor on those sessions. So what would that look like, Deity? I mean, wouldn't that be the same as me downloading it? You ready to take that wife with that new hairdo? Let's get a push. Come on, Quant Tower, where you at? There you are. Still loading, you idiot. Takes forever to connect it. Those servers. If I want to get in, this would be, let's see, 14 on my other one. Come on, load up, load up, load up. Hurry up. So when I see this, it's like already taken off and I want to get on my other accounts. Normally it'd be 14 I want to risk micros, but it's starting to move up. So I'm just going to be like, okay, I'll do 12 instead. You see what I'm saying? You want to adjust your risk. You don't want to be like, well, shoot, I missed it, so I'm going to get in with the same risk. No. You don't want to do that. That's stupid. All right? Here we are. Boom. Let's see if she can push, guys. Take me out. Getting ready to take the wife with that new hair. Beautiful. Take out. Okay, gotcha. Now it's making more sense. Do we get a rocket? That'd be cool. What does Clarity say? I think Clarity is saying, okay, good. We still have from 72 to 80 minimum. So that should at least hit up here. That means it should push up to here. Nice little 2 micros 1-to-1 for a whopping 150 to call it a good week. Beautiful, man. Any payouts this week? Beautiful. Why do I feel like this coffee is getting weaker and weaker at Starbucks? Maybe I'm just drinking too much lately. But it tastes so good. Just look lower time frame. So we had it's strong here, right? And 5. But so with that said, we had lower. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of the volume. I'll keep the volume there. It was interesting yesterday. Let's see. So we had no break here. Ooh, I don't like that. That's not good, actually. I'm back and forth on this trade, guys. I might actually get out at break even right now. Because there's no break here on the 5 at all. Which means none of this matters, and it's just liquidity potentially building up to sell off. Let me look at that. This is a rough one for me. Definitely a B setup at best. I don't have a single... Now, on the 1 minute, you'd have it. And this is where people start freaking out. Because you have, like, this, right? And then you had order block here. You could have bought here. Right? And held. But we weren't here for that. I'm going to give it one last shot. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark up this block, this little area right here. If it comes below here, I'll probably get out. and maybe potentially sell off. Now that I'm seeing there's no break on the 5. I'd like to see it just get above this little zone right here. I'm not 100% confident on this trade, to be honest with you. This isn't my normal vibe here. We'll see. All right, we're at the moment of truth right here. We can get above that little trend line. Building some little liquidity. I don't stream with OBS. I stream with Restream. I wonder if Restream has recordings. Let me see. Video storage. Recordings. Oh, it does. Look at that. What'd you know? What'd you know? What'd you know? Okay, yeah, I can. All right, yeah. So this is doing what I was hoping it wouldn't do. So I'm gonna tell you straight up, guys. If it comes down here and closes on the 5, I'm gonna get out on this, and I'm gonna sell. Okay, so this is my counter move to this trade. So I'll take an L, essentially, and do a counter 31 to potentially take out these lows, or at least come to this block, right? So this could actually be a good thing. So before this happens, you have to like think of this. How could this be a good situation, right? I'm not 100% sold yet because we don't have proof it's going to do it, but I'm just saying because there is no break of structure to the left here on the 5 minute. I don't have proof that we're bullish. Okay, so hopefully you understand that I made a little mistake there, because the way I look at this now is we're in a sell block here. Because it broke structure on the 5 on the left here and didn't break a structure back up, so I'm more prone to sell than to buy. And in fact, if I have an opportunity to get at break even again, I'll probably get out of break even no matter what. So that's a mistake. It happens. I know I'm not perfect. I'm just gonna take this off right now. I got out at break even. To me, that's break even. So you can count it whatever you want, but that's break even for me. Yeah, got out on all areas there. Okay, I only lost 50 bucks on the other. I just don't. It's a gamble, you know. It's a gamble to play off this block because it's not too secure. I'd much rather this break this low and sell off, only because it didn't break structure here on the left. All right, so cool. Does everybody understand that? My apologies for that. Oh, I didn't see you made another video, buddy. It was delivered late since I had connection issues with frequent storms. Yeah. Where are you located, D80? Yeah, I think the sell will work. Now, this might end up have worked. I don't know. Nice, D80. You trade with me or you trade your own way? He's been my latest video guy, so I'm really excited to have him on board. He came on the stream, and you hear it a lot. You hear people say, "Oh, yeah, I could do your videos," but he actually ended up being good. So he's gonna do a few a week for me for sells or for shorts, my YouTube shorts. So a lot of times it's just you know, they don't actually know what they're talking about, but he did, so I'm excited to work with him. You're on the same page to sell? Yeah. I mean, we got perfect liquidity. Look at this, guys. Seriously. We got perfect liquidity to take out. This would be a nice little sell. If we want to be even smarter about this, we should probably put our stop here, just to be fair. That's probably, you know what, I'm going to do that. All right, let me get that trade ready just in case. Our last trade would have been working right now, just not great. It was just too risky now that I saw that. My apologies. Let's see. So this is what I want to happen. I want this to come down here, kind of do this, just take out all this liquidity below. Yeah, I'll just do the 1 minute close since, all right, so here's the thing. A 5 minute close, I would probably use a tighter stop, like right here. But if we want to get in early, I'll use a 1 minute close and put it right here, just in case it wants to come out and take liquidity and drop. That makes sense? These are like little things that I can't, it's hard to like train in a course, you know? I do trade on my own, beautiful. Let me check your work, bro. Let me see. Here is yesterday. Let's see if you can, oh, I don't even need you, bro. There's AI clips right here. Just kidding. Full video, split video. I pay for AI clips, but every time I try their AI clips, it's horrible. To be fair. Ooh, this has split video. You want split video? Let me see how that looks, bro. I want to do both. Supposedly it splits the video up. All right, so our original trade would have worked, but to me this was a gamble, so I don't feel bad about this. Okay. Heck, it might just hold. It might liquidate that and drop. That's what I hope. Actually, now we can move our entry because we have a new high. So now we always got to go towards liquidity, where the easiest liquidity is. You guys can look at that all you want. I don't want to look at it anymore. That used to upset me. I used to be like, man, I was right. And then get back in. And I would sound like that too. Like, man, that sucks, man. No, I wouldn't. Trying to see if my quality's a lot better now. Yeah, it is good. Thank God. That was crazy. Yeah, that definitely didn't work. What I was just talking about. All right. So hopefully it just wicks us out, and then our entry would be right here. Make our stop right here. Right? I'm going to prepare it because I think that's what's going to happen. Right? We took liquidity from that. We have all this liquidity down here. Yeah, I think that's what should happen anyways. Because we had no break on the left. Look at that perfect build up to take out. I mean, come on, there's imbalance down here. Freaking dude, come on. Yeah, is he yes? I bet you yes started doing it. No, it's not. I was trying to guess that. That would have been cool. All right, let's get it ready. Sell, limit. Boom, boom. I don't do limit orders. I just use this to measure really fast in front of you so you can have an easy way to do it. My students get a nice calculator situation. I'm going to put this to max, 10 micros. So we'll be selling. If we were right, to get down to this block, it could be up to $2,630. Now, I can't make that on here, unfortunately. If I want to pay out soon, or I could ignore it and just get $1,000 a day. I don't know. New entry would be right at 24,690, roughly 689. 17 points? No, it's 44. All right, took all that liquidity. You don't need that anymore. That's what I hope. It could keep going and just build more liquidity and then finally drop. But I'm willing to do that. I need to be active on Discord. Let me. I'm gonna do two things. Thank you for asking. But no, we're mainly active like on Telegram right now. But I need to be more active on Discord. I have to literally remind myself to go there. Yeah, I'm sorry, Deity, but I've been screwed over way too many times as far as payments go. I mean, you definitely know I'm not gonna. I mean, I guess you don't know, but I'm just saying it's just not gonna happen. I have no problem doing one at a time, as long as it's the easy way. Is there any other payment methods besides PayPal? Because I don't have that. Let's see. All right, here we go. Get this ready. That was 890 at 10, so I'll do 12 micros on my other accounts. Yep, perfect. Hopefully it happens now. .2 gig download. Jeez. Guess I'll upload it to Google Drive. Do this here now. Man, this wants to fall. Come on. Share this with Futures Bootcamp. Send out the text. Who had a good trading week this week? Did you end up profitable? There we are. Sent out text. Let me know if you got the text message, guys, if you're in Futures Bootcamp. Yes, Smoke Eater. I mean, that's what I tell people. I do the max. So like on Alpha, I risk $1,000 max because they cap your daily there. Is this an A-pluster? I'd say so. Yeah, this is to me because it didn't break structure here. Also, Clarity X, I think we're probably almost at 80 now. Yeah, we're almost to the top. I mean, there's so many reasons that this should sell off. Got all this liquidity build up here. Like, I mean, look at this. It needs to come down to this block here. This is more liquidity. Like if you look here, I mean, it's just nonstop liquidity to be taken out to the downside. I like wanted to share this too. I mean, it's just nonstop. Got fair value gaps down here. Everything's pointing that it should drop. Does it mean it's going to yet? I don't know. Just small liquidity on that. Not too far away that I'm not receiving text messages. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Joanne. Did you put it in right? Let me see. You know what some people do out of country is they will get a USA number. I don't know if you did that. So let me see here. Just like it's like $1, like burner app. It's annoying, but it works, you know. That's Quebec, huh? Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me see if I have more details on that. See where we're at here. Checking for you. Come on with their support already. I like to move fast. Come on, just drop already. Supposedly it can go to Canada. Let me where can I message you? Because I can't share this publicly. There we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Actually, hold up. Let's see here. I want to keep that one. Only because that's a actual 5-minute low block. So if I were to do the one right here, we could be faked out. Like right here. Yeah, so we'll just do this one. No, that's the right one anyways. What's up, Robert? Extra cheese on Friday. Extra cheese. Their phone number. I can check delivery status. Let me see. Unfilled 15-minute fair value 24,642,24603. Yeah, down here. I mean, everything points that this should drop, so. When your video is 3.2 gigs. Ugh. Here we go, boys and girls. I'm waiting for a close. Don't get all antsy. See if we can get it. Hey, I'm not saying nothing. I'll get in trouble. I don't have any opinion on any of that. There we go. Yeah, I go live every single day, Bilal. Welcome to the show, the trading. We're sitting at 75% plus win rate. We're right now about to enter a sell right here. We go live every day at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then I go into members only live. So the next 19 minutes, I go live to members only, and that's part of my Solomon Trading community. You go to SolomonTrading.com if you want to join. SolomonTrading.com. We've been getting like 5 new members a day right now. It's kind of cool. So also you can share it with your friends once you're a member and make 40% a month for everybody that joins. So instead of me keeping it, I want you guys to profit off of it. All right, getting ready. Robert Rockets Radio. I need a good overlay, to be honest. Like OBS. I really love Restream though. OBS can... I hate OBS, bro. Like I've used OBS for years, but I can't stand it. It's so buggy. It changes. Like I just like ease. Like I wanted to jump on here, do the trading, and be done. You know what I mean? I tried other platforms. They just suck. Restream seems to be really amazing, and it streams to multiple platforms at once. So, okay. So, Joanne, they said it's been delivered successfully. I would recommend that she check her spam folder for texts. I bet it's made its way there. So like there, yeah, I don't know if you have an iPhone, but they have that new spam folder. Appreciate you, Bilal. Robert Rockets Radio, you need to get over to here. Yep. Come on. There is overlays over here. Yeah, that's like kind of like your job. You tell me what you're talking about because you know how to make things look better. I have like this. I don't know if that's what you mean. I could throw some cacti on here. No, there's like overlays I could put on. But it's not as like, I think that's what you mean. Let's win this trade, guys. Get a little luck here. That's the fat, shorter version of me, supposedly. Come on. Boy, I just had an idea. Mahindra stocks, thank me later. Problem with the Discord is we got to get people using it. Man, we got a lot of people signed up for it, the free Discord, but I guess I got to stay active in there for them to use it. I guess there's just so many things to remember. You know what I mean? we go, guys. Get ready. $30 seconds. Don't push too hard. No. It's got to close. 20 seconds. Excuse me. Why are you in? You got in wrong. And 3, 2, 1. I'm in. All right, cool. And I'm in over on my funded. All right, so there's trade number 1. We'll see. I mean, the other one was a break even. I shouldn't have called it though. All good. Close for me. Look. That closed underneath. Barely did. Spam flow. You're welcome, Joanne. Yeah, put me as like favorited or something. It closed. It closed for me. I don't know. It closed on 2 of mine. On my quant tower. Ah, it didn't on my quant tower. It did on this right here. By a hair. Look. Right there. But on my other one it didn't. So yeah. It should drop anyways, but I mean, to be fair, it did on here. Here we go, guys. What's up, Tiffany? Let's check MES if it's dropping yet. No bueno for MES, huh? Come on, just tank for us. See a big giant red candle up here. Or bar, volume bar. Got 11 minutes until our member only. Alright, let me get that ready ahead of time so I don't have to sit here and scramble. I'm excited for today. If you guys want to continue for 2 more hours with me, up to 2 more hours with me, go to SolomonTrading.com. Join for just $97 a month. It's like 10 hours more a week. Webinars, schedule. I'm gonna post that in the telegrams right now, fam. Oh, MES dropped. I know that by an alert. I'm not even looking. Doing notifications for the members. All right. Put it all in the Telegram, guys. I'm going to put it in school as well. There we are. Post it everywhere ahead of time. Let's do that. Do we get that push we want, guys? Let's see. It should just fall. I mean, there's nothing holding it. So on 5. Yeah, we hit our 80 like expected on Clarity app. And even on the 5-minute, we're below. We'll see. It should work out. We'll see. Much more reason to drop than not. I'm not sure, bro. This is the music that Aiden gave me. Nonchalantly just dropping. Beautiful. Come on, baby. The VWAP is in my mind. Did you guys see that ridiculous Bob Lee post I made? I like being ridiculous sometimes, guys. Let me show you this if you didn't see it. There we go, fam. But let's put the VWAP. Ooh, look where the VWAP is, right at the fair value gaps. I wonder where the market's going. Oh. Only gonna go for 550 on this account today. Otherwise, my consistency gets screwed up again. I had to make too much yesterday. Jeez, Bob. It's okay. And then we just need one more profitable day on Monday, hopefully, and then we can request a payout together. Beautiful. I'm going to quickly, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to quickly, once I hit 550, if I do, should. I'm going to quickly switch, adjust my stop, probably just to here, and then put it on my other account and try to pass that other account real quick. Here was Bob Lee, guys. Whatever. This is for a post about 10,000 trades. Take 10,000 trades. I'm having a little too much fun with freaking AI, I tell you that much. There we go. Uh-oh. Don't make too much, Bob. Don't make too much. No. Oh, wow. I'm killing it on my other ones. Oh. Holding my other ones for sure. Come on, go down. I wanted to do it. I was just making this other one for wanted to do it before I got off. It was gonna be funny. I gotta figure out how to show those on Zoom. Come on. Stop playing games. We're in this stupid little block. No, not even yet. All it has to do is get to this block. And I'd be good for the day. I'll just let it hold. Making some fair value gaps up here, so it's probably like going to fill this to balance the market. Oh, we have a little one right here I didn't see. Look at that. That's so stupid. We're definitely cleared under the 5 minute. So right now what I'm seeing, guys, is we broke 2 structures on the 5. I should have maybe grabbed some profits here. And then just got in. But, you know, had to be a hero and all. Let's see. Unbelievable. I'll just start this music over again. Aiden, you should get me another hour-long thing. Made 350 on that one. Thank you. You're welcome. That's unfortunate. That little thing stopped it. I'm just not buying it. Ugh. Dude, I swear if I lose this trade now. It should, right? Man. No way it rejects that right now. Come on, just take this out. I'm gonna go till 5 after. Because of that lag issue we had. Oh, man. Aiden. Okay, a little fair value gap here. Let me get rid of this. Hopefully that's all it wants right here, I hope. Hey. That's crazy. Trying to block it with these things, guys. Dude, if I lose that trade, I will be freaking baffled. And if anything, it might come here and then get us to break even. But that's I hate it when things like that happen. Took liquidity. Did it? Man, that's crazy. That I didn't see that one coming. Is that all it wanted? Some liquidity out of that, and let's look on 5. Now we basically got to this 5-minute block. I mean, technically this is like ICT 101, right? We have break of structure, left the block. You know, if I were to talk about ICT, it literally bounced off this stupid little block. See how that wick didn't go higher than that wick? Why is that so important? I don't freaking know. But it literally hit 50% of that and just started tanking. So hopefully it pushes off of that. Not sure. I haven't tried lucid trading. Sorry. Whatever. 15-minute left, nasty wick on that. I'm still sell bias. Like, I mean, we're breaking structures to the downside. Still have all this liquidity. Like, we have all this liquidity left to take. That's crazy, dude. I was like 100 away from hitting my daily target on this. It's not over. 3 minutes are going to members only live, guys. I put the links everywhere. I haven't heard of Aqua Futures. Let's see what ES is doing. We need ES to reject this. Come on. Dude, AI is so crazy. Look at this video. Hold on, I gotta upload it. I did this while I was on with you guys. It's uploading. This rarely happens to us anymore, but it happens. It's gonna happen. That's crazy. That was looking so good, wasn't it? That VWAP down there. I mean, it's not over, like I said, but geez, man. Yes, still holding. I like that. Come on. Yeah, there's no proof. There's zero proof. Like, there's zero structure breaks. It would have to literally break this right here to have its first structure break up. So to me, this is an A+ setup still. Like, it could just be mitigating this block and dumping to this right here. And I think it could happen fast if that's the case. But all right, here you guys. This is supposed to be trading candles, but like I just made this for when we get in buys. Just for fun. Rocket Man. But look at that background it made. Like, look at that freaking background, like the environment and stuff. That's crazy. There we go. Tank, baby. Let's end this. All right, guys, I'm going to go over to the member only. Just to be fair, this is probably going to tank. I would say at least here, but most likely fill this gap. If you're at break even right now and you want to get out of break even and you don't want to like risk this, get out now, guys. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. Everything's pointing that this should tank. Okay. So, same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. And listen. Jump here. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. And if you want to jump on our live session, there's still time. It's just $97 a month. You get me for pretty much 10 more hours a week. Okay. So if you had fun today, this is your chance to jump back on with us. All right, guys. God bless. Take care.